Find what you already know and confirm that people want that thing that you already know. Then pick a simple format. Use AI to build faster without losing your voice. Most people think that creating a digital product means becoming an expert overnight. That is why they never get to start in the first place. But the truth is, you probably know enough to create something that people will actually pay for. The problem is that you don't know how to package what is in your head. And today I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to turn what you already know into your first digital product using AI without sounding fake, without copying gurus or spending 3 months in confusion. Because right now, too many people are using AI to mass produce empty content about things they have never actually done themselves. This is not what we are going to be doing in this video. Oh yeah, now let's build something real. Step number 1. Find something you already know. This is where most people actually get stuck, even before starting. They think digital product has to be something groundbreaking. It has to be like a revolutionary idea that nobody has ever thought of, or a course that changes an entire industry. But no, that's not the case. Your first digital product has to solve one specific problem for one specific person. Here's an exercise I want you to do before you touch any AI tool. Write down 3 things. 3 things that people have actually come to you for in real life. Something that people have come to you at your workplace, in your professional life, or even at home. It could be how to write a CV that gets a callback, or maybe how to manage a small catering business. It could even be something like how to have a honest conversation with your landlord. It doesn't have to be techie, and certainly it doesn't have to be in finance. But it has to be something real, something that someone somewhere is struggling with, and that you already understand. So you write down 3 things in this regard, then you pick one. That first one that you pick becomes your product idea. Now you're going to be moving to step number 2 because you have been able to find your product idea. Step number 2 is to validate before you build the actual product itself. Why we are doing this is because you don't make a mistake of building the product before looking for who will buy it. You just have to validate the idea that we have in our head. Who is actually looking for this? Who is having this problem with data? Before we can go ahead and build the product, we need to confirm that people are actually searching for that solution. And here is a simple way to do it. First thing is to go to your google.com, and in the search bar here, you got to input. This is going to be the keyword that we selected as our number 1. The topic that we have selected that is going to be our product idea. We are going to put the keyword in this search bar. As you put the keyword in the search bar, don't hit enter yet. Just watch what Google is going to auto suggest. So for example, let's say we are going to put keyword like how to write a CV that gets a callback using AI. Do not hit enter, just watch what Google auto suggests. These suggestions that you're seeing are real things that people are typing real time. These are what people are looking for. So we are not going to stop here. The next move is to go over to YouTube again and try the same thing, right? So we are going to go to YouTube, go to the search bar here and type the same keyword. We are going to view what is showing us. So we are going to go over to the comment section of this video that has over 200,000 views to see what people are commenting, see what people are complaining about, what questions are coming up here over and over again. If you see the same problem being asked different ways across different platforms, that is your green light. See, at this point, you are not guessing anymore. You are reading demands. So once this is out of the way, we are going to be moving to step number 3, which is choose your product format. Now you know the problem you are solving, and you know that people actually want this solution. Good. So the next question is, what form should this product that you're about to build actually take? And it all depends on one thing. How does your audience prefer to learn? If they want something they can consume quickly, which I believe that's what is working right now, then a PDF guide or an ebook would be a perfect fit for this. And if they prefer to watch someone walk through it, then you can do a short video course, even 5 to 10 minute video, 15 to 20 minutes each, covering the topic. That topic you already know so much, so well that you are ignoring someone somewhere who is exactly where you were 5 years ago actually needs it. So you need to make this video that covers the topic properly. That is your real product. And if they want something they can quickly plug and play, then a template pack or a toolkit on Notion will suffice. This extremely sells well because people are paying to save time. My advice for your first digital product will be to start a PDF guide or a short video course. It has a lower barrier and it's very, very fast to create with AI, and also very easy to test to see what's working and where you can now channel your energy on. So you don't complicate things, you build the thing, put it out, learn what the market tells you, and then you improve on that. Step number 4 is to use AI to actually develop the product. And this is not to say AI will replace your idea, but you are going to give AI your expertise, your framework, so it can quickly speed up the process for you. And this is where most people get it twisted. AI is not your ghostwriter. It is your assistant in this process. The moment you hand everything to ChatGPT, then just publish whatever comes out, your audience will feel it. The content will be technically correct, but emotionally empty. It will sound like it was written by someone who has never actually done the thing. Now, here's how to use AI properly in this process. Start with your own outline. Based on what you know, write the steps down, the section, the key points, do the rough work yourself. Even if it looks messy, that has to be the part that will come from you. Then you bring in the AI and use it to expand each of the sections that you have penned down. So you give it the idea, the context, and it helps you flesh it out faster than you could have done yourself. Afterward, you now edit it back into your own voice. So you can use AI to write your introduction, the conclusion, by giving it the emotion you want it to capture. It could be something written in this way. I want this intro to feel like I'm talking to someone who has been trying and failing for months. Someone who is tired but not ready to quit. Then you work with what it gives you and give it more human tone if you have to. I also recommend that you use AI to generate examples, case studies. You will have to verify this. Then you keep the ones that are accurate and you replace the ones that you feel they are not accurate. So you use it to create your product title, your sales description, your fact section, your email announcement. You understand now what I call the hybrid creativity, where you come in from this angle, the AI comes in from this angle, then you come together to make whatever you are doing better. Not just allowing AI to choose a product for you. People are not going to buy it that way. So AI handles the volume, you handle the voice. That is the partnership that I'm talking about. At this point, the product you are going to end up with will actually feels like you, but a more organized, more thorough version of you. Do you get now? Step number 5 would be to package this product so that it looks worth paying for. Now, here is the uncomfortable truth. A well-packaged product with a low value content will outsell a well-written product. Quality value with a bad packaging. People judge what they can see. So for a PDF guide, use Canva. It's free and it's powerful. So pick a clean template and add your branding. Make sure it's readable and it's well structured. It should look like something that a professional can put together, not something like amateur will just come up and do it. And if you're very good at prompts, if you understand how to use your AI very well, you can use Claude AI to actually give this the flesh. Claude AI is going to kill this for you. So if you want me to make a video for you on how to use Claude AI to build a PDF digital product, put that in the comment right now, and I'm going to do a detailed video showing you how to build your digital product, your landing page, and all of that using Claude. And if you're a complete beginner and you want to fast track the process to find your way around this, I suggest that you check the first link in the description of this video and grab a step-by-step guide. It has everything you need to start today. Today, you can start today and build and have your digital product ready by tomorrow, because everything in that offer is like a plug and play. You copy this, you paste it into an AI, and it tells you the next step to do until you have a product that people will be willing to pay for. The interesting part is that everything I've done in that guide are data backed. I did a whole lot of research in putting that data together. So it's worth checking it out in the description of this video. If you decide to sell a video course, you actually don't need a studio. You just need a decent microphone so that your audio comes out clearly, and a decent lighting as well. Even if you don't have money or you have budget for lighting, your window can even work here. Clear audio, a USB microphone is enough. Recording tools like Loom or OBS if you are walking people through a step-by-step process in your course. Then for templates, you can, like I said, you can use Notion, Canva, or Google Sheet. Make them clean, label, and immediately usable. The person buying your product should be able to open it and know exactly what to do. Name your product clearly. Title should tell your buyer exactly what they are getting and what problem your product solves. It doesn't have to be something clever, but something clear. For example, the beginner's guide to starting a home catering business in 7 days would be a product that is titled The Hustle Blueprint every single time. In this game, clarity converts, cleverness confuses people. Step number 6 is time for you to sell it. You have built the product, you have the packaging, now you need a place for people to buy it. For your first digital product, you don't need a website, to be honest. You don't need one. Just use Gumroad or Seller. Both are beginner friendly, they support Nigerian sellers and take minutes to set up. You upload your product, you set the price, write a short description, and you have a live sales page. It's just that simple. Once you hit publish, you now have a link that you can send to people, you can share to people, you can put it on YouTube, you can put it on your TikTok videos, you can use Instagram and even paid ads to sell this product. What we are looking at here is your ROI. If you spend $5 and you make $10, is good business. When you spend 5,000 naira and you're able to get 10,000 naira or 15,000 naira, is good business. You do not need big audience to make your first sales. You need the right 10 people to see it. One testimonial from one real person who have used the product and got a result is worth more than any advertisement you could run today. So chase that first. Try to get your first sales before you chase the volume. The honest word I have for you here is that find what you already know and confirm that people want that thing that you already know. Then pick a simple format. Use AI to build faster without losing your voice. Package it properly. Put it out. That's the whole thing. No magic, no secret, just actual step. Done in order. The people who struggle to create their first product are not struggling because they lack the knowledge, but they are struggling because they are waiting for permission to start, or wait until everything feels perfect, everything feels all right to start. And you know what? Neither of these days is coming. So start now, improve later.